Hello students, the question is from DSA. Okay, so the question is how many passes are required to sort the following array using quick sort. So the given array is 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 60, 55, 50 and 45. So using the quick sort, we know that the first element will be the pivot element, the second p plus 1 element will be I, and the rightmost element will be j. Okay, so first what we should do, this element should be always less than pivot element and this should be greater than this pivot element. Okay, so this is the first condition. Now the second condition is, if it is, the first condition is not true, we will check whether this I is less than j, means a of I is less than a of j or not. Okay, so if it is not less than, then we will swap the position. Okay, so like that it will continue, and when this j will be like position of j, means when j will be less than I. Okay, so when j is less than I, we will compare this j with the pivot element, and if it is less than, we will swap with the pivot element, then the partition will happen. So this is the procedure for the quick sort. Okay, so just check it off. Now this should be smaller, right, but this is greater than this one, and this is also greater than this is smaller than the pivot element, so first option violates. So what we will do, we have to check whether this a of I is less than a of j. No, it is not less than, so we will swap these two, and this value will become 45, 75, 80, 85, 60, 55, 50 and 70. Okay, now I will j point to the same. Okay, now you can see, now the condition satisfied, this is smaller than this is greater. Now we can increment I, so this will point, now I will be pointing here and j will decrement. Okay, so j will point here. Now again this condition is not satisfied, right, this is pivot element, so again we will do the same thing. So we will swap these two, the 50 will come here, 75 will come here, and the remaining part will be same, 60, 55 and 70. Now again I will be pointing here, j will be pointing here. Now again I will increment, so I will be come here and j will come here. Now again this condition violates, that I is greater than the pivot, a of I is greater than the pivot element and a of j is less than pivot element. So again we will check that whether a of I is less than a of j. Okay, so it is not less than, so again we will swap those values. So this 50, now this 55 will come here and this 80 will come here. Okay, so now it will be 85 and 60. Now I and j will point, now I will point here, j will point here. Again this is not satisfied, so again swapping will happen. Okay, so this will be 60, this will be 85. Okay, now if we decrement the j value, j will point here, right, and I will point here. Now once you saw that j is less than I, we have to this value with the pivot element. See, a of j, it is less than a of p, right? So now we will swap these two values, and in the first pass the value will be 45, 50, 55, 65, 85, 80, 75 and 70. Now the pivot element has come here, so the partition will happen. So now these two like arrays we have, so we will follow again quick sort separately for these two values. So 65 remain as it, this is the first pass. So after first pass the result will be like this. Okay, now the second pass, what will happen, again this will be treated as pivot element, this will be I, this will be j. Now this satisfied, 45 is less than, and again j is pointing to lesser value, right, j is less than pivot element, so j will be swapped, so the value will become 55, 40, 50 and 60. Okay, so the pivot element comes here, now 65, and similarly, okay, and this will be what, similarly this will be the pivot element, and this will be I, this will be j. Okay, so first what it will do, first it will do what, 85, it will swap with 70. One second, this j is less than, right, so this will, j is itself is less than the pivot element, so first we will swap j, right. So what it will do, it will come like 70 and 85 will come here. Okay, so and this will be 80 and this will be 75. Okay, so now what will do, what will happen, yeah, now it is shorted. Now the pivot element is this one, okay, and this has come here. Now the partition again, now these three has left, so this is the second pass. So after second pass, the element will look like this. Now again we will apply for this same value. So these two will be swapped. Okay, these two will be swapped because first pivot element will be this will be I, this will be j. Okay, so now the j will decrement, it will point here and it is less than, so it will be no, this will come like this, this will come like this, this is less than this j is less than pivot element, right? So 50 will come here, 55 will come here, and 45 will remain as it is, this will remain as it is, this will remain as it is, 70, 80, 75 and 85. Okay, so this will be same. Here no passes happen. Why? Because already j is greater than pivot element, so we didn't make any passes. Okay, so that's why it does not came here. And now the passes will come. The passes, first this pass will come that 45 is less than this element, so this 45 will come here, 50, this was the third pass, and 55, 60, 65, 70. Okay, now you see these two values means I is less than j. Already the this is the greater than this one. Okay, j is greater than pivot element, but I is less than j. Okay, so this condition satisfies, so we have to swap this two element. Okay, so this will be the final pass, that is the fourth pass. So four passes are required for quick sort of this given particular array. Okay, so answer will be B. 4 passes are required. 4 passes are required. Thank you.